Okay, now we are going to learn how to solve the quadratic equations using the method called completing the square. So for this, what we are going to do is, I'll tell you the step now. First, you will keep this constant term separately. That means we have to bring this to the other side. So I will write here 2x square minus 7x. So plus 3 move to other side, it becomes minus 3. So after this, what we are going to do is, you have to express this left hand side either in the form a square minus 2ab plus b square, or a square plus 2ab plus b square. If I get in this way, then we can write a minus b whole square. Then for this, I can write a plus b whole square. So we have to express this in the form of the first one or second one. Now let us start now how to make it. So first we have to look at the coefficient of this x square. We will check whether this coefficient of x square is a perfect square or not. If it is not a perfect square, we have to express the coefficient of x square as a perfect square. That means it can be done in two ways, whether by dividing or by multiplying. So first, let me do with the division by dividing. So what is this? This is 2. So on both the sides of the equation, we have to divide by 2. So twice x square divided by 2. Then minus 7x divided by 2. Then here minus 3 divided by 2. And actually I want to write here, but there is no space, so I just will write here dividing both sides by what? 2 each. So after this, we can cancel these 2, so that I'm getting here now 1. 1 means I can just write here x square, then minus 7x divided by 2 equal to minus 3 divided by 2. Now there is 1. 1 means is a perfect square. So we can start the process now. First x square minus, there is minus, that's why I will choose the first one. This will be our option. So here minus, so here minus. So here what do we find here? There is 2. So just write here 2. Now what we are assuming is, here is a, that means here this x is our a. So I'll just write here square means square. So minus 2. So 2 is there. Next it comes a again. A means here x. But there is b. But for us, still there is no b, so we have to find b. So how to find b? For this, bring this one here, 7x divided by 2. Then you divide by this twice x. So twice x. So 7x divided by 2. This division we convert into multiplication. That means we have to write the reciprocal of this. So I'm going to write here 1 by twice x. X cancelled. So 7 into 1, 7. 2 into 2, 4. So this 7 by 4, please write here. This will be our b. So next, a square minus twice ab. That means, sorry, I should write here. So this is our what? Our b. Now then next comes plus b square. So here plus b means 7 by 4 whole square. Now plus b square. So on the right side, we have to add again this 7 by 4 whole square. Then now a square minus twice ab plus b square means it is equal to what? A minus b whole square. That means I can write here x minus 7 by 4 whole square. It's a bit congested, but now minus 3 by 2 plus 7 square 49, 4 square 16. So next, x minus 7 by 4 whole square. So if we take LCM for 2 and 16, we will get here 16. So 8 into 3 are 24 plus 49. So next will be x minus 7 divided by 4. So here we'll get 25 divided by 16. When this square goes to other side, it becomes root over. And don't forget, there will be both positive and negative. So x equal this minus 7 by 4. If it goes to other side, it becomes positive. So 7 by 4. Now plus minus, plus minus. 25 means 5 square. 16 means 4 square. So I can write here 5 divided by 4. So x is equal to what? 7 plus minus 5 divided by 4. So now we'll write here either x equal to 7 plus 5 divided by 4, or x is equal to 7 minus 5 divided by 4. So now we get here 12 by 4. That means we'll get here 3. Then here 2 divided by 4. 2 1 is 2, 2 2 are 4. So we get here what? 3. And we get here 1 by 2. So I'll just write here, therefore the required roots are 3 and 1 by 2. So this is how we are solving actually. Let us see one more question now. I have just written here one question here. The question is twice x squared plus x minus 4. So this one let me do a little faster. Twice x squared plus x, then minus 4 comes this side, so it becomes positive 4. So now it is not a perfect square. So this time instead of dividing, let me just multiply by these two. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into x, twice x. 2 into 4, 8. So just mention here multiplying both the sides by 2 each. Then 4 means I can write 2 square. 2 square means I can write here like this, twice x whole square. 2 square 4, x square means x square, plus 2. Here this twice x will be our a, that means twice x. So how we are going to form here b? This twice x you please take here, and after that we have to divide that by this 2 into twice x. That means twice x divided by 4x. That means I can cancel like this, xx. So I get here 1 by 2. These 1 by 2 will be our b. So plus 1 by 2 whole square. Then here 8 plus 1 by 2 whole square. So what we are doing in this step, adding 1 by 2 whole square on both the sides. So in the next step, now this is in the form of a square plus twice ab plus b square. That means I can write a plus b whole square. So now here 8 plus 1 square is 1 and 2 square means 4. So twice x plus 1 by 2. Then here 8 4 are 32 plus 1. Then here twice x plus 1 by 2. Now we'll get here 32 plus 1, 33 by 4. So square goes the other side, it becomes root over, and we'll write here both positive and negative. So twice x plus minus 33 is not a perfect square, so it will be just like this only, and 4 means it becomes 2. So plus 1 by 2, when it goes the other side, it becomes minus 1 by 2. So here x, and now see we can take here 2 common from denominator. So I can write here 1 by 2 like this, and plus minus root over 33 minus 1. Then here I can just write like this, and these 2 will come down here again, so 2 into 2. So we get here x means 1 by 4, then here plus minus root over 33 minus 1. So I'll make little shorten here. Either x is equal to, see, first I'll take plus, so root 33 minus 1, so by 1 by 4 means you can just write in this form, or x is equal to positive I have taken first, next it will be negative, so minus 3. So in this case you can take minus common as well, nothing wrong in that. So minus root over 33 plus 1, then divided by 4. Therefore the required roots are root over 33 minus 1 by 4, or minus root over 33 plus 1 divided by 4. So we'll see one more question now. The question is here. I'll start directly. Now this 4 is a perfect square, so in this case I think it will be somehow easier for us. 4x square plus 4 root over 3x. So constant term plus 3, it will be sent to other side, it becomes minus 3. So twice x whole square plus, now a means this twice x, now see 2, then here twice x. So for this there is 4 root over 3, now 2 are 4x, that means if you just multiply by root 3, then we will get here 4 root 3. So a square plus twice ab plus b square. Since I added root over 3 whole square to the left hand side, the same root over 3 whole square I'm going to add even on the right hand side, so minus 3 plus root over 3 whole square. So on the left hand side I'm going to write here twice x plus root over 3 whole square, so minus 3 plus 3. So that means twice x plus root over 3 whole square is equal to what? 0. That means twice x plus root over 3, then again twice x plus root over 3. So this one is either twice x plus root over 3 equal to 0, or twice x plus root over 3 is equal to 0. So here x is equal to, first this will be coming as minus 3 minus root over 3, then next 2 will be coming down, so x means minus root over 3 divided by 2. Therefore the required roots are minus root over 3 by 2 and minus root over 3 divided by 2. So let us see last question now. Twice x square plus x plus 4 goes the other side, it becomes minus 4. So next, this coefficient of x square is 2, that means it is not a perfect square. So now on both the side we will divide by 2 or we will multiply by 2, that is up to you. Now I'll just divide by 2 on both the sides, so we'll get here twice x square divided by 2 plus x divided by 2, then here minus 4 divided by 2, and you can write here dividing on both the sides by 2 each. So we are getting now here x square plus x divided by 2, then here minus 2. So we'll make this in the form of a plus b whole square, because there is positive, there is plus sign. So a square plus twice a, so how much we'll write here now? It will be 1 by 4. Why? If I cancel 2 and this 4, I'll get here 2, that means again I'll get here x by 2. Now there is no problem, both are all same only. But now I will add 1 by 4 whole square, then minus 2 plus 1 by 4 whole square. So if you don't have space, you just write here, it's fine. Adding 1 by 4 whole square on both the sides. The next step will be this is in the form of a square plus twice ab plus b square. That means a plus b whole square. Now minus 2 plus 1 by 1 square is 1. 4 square 16. So x plus 1 by 4 whole square. Now we'll get here 16. Then minus 32 plus 1. So x plus 1 by 4 whole square is minus 31 divided by 16. Here you have to look very properly here. What is this? This is the square of a quantity. The square of a number, we get here negative. What does it mean? That means this part is not a real number. That means the value of x will not be a real number in this case. That's why we'll write here like this: the square of a real number cannot be negative. That is, x is not a real number. So therefore the equation does not have real roots. So I hope you have learned something today, and we'll meet again in the next video.